We've all been there. You're sitting at your desk, staring at a blank screen, trying to guess what your audience actually wants to watch. But instead of throwing ideas at the wall to see what sticks, you can use Creator Grow AI. This tool provides a data-driven framework, letting you build a concept based on the performance metrics of existing successful channels. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully optimized video package ready to go, complete with a title, a targeted description, a hashtag list, and even a concept for your visual thumbnail. To transform an empty channel into a targeted content machine, all you need is an active account, one successful channel to use as inspiration, and a rough idea of what you want to talk about. Step 1 is understanding your competition. Navigate to the Channel Audit tab in the dashboard. Here, you'll paste the URL of a successful creator in your specific niche. To keep things efficient and manage your crate usage, select the top 10 option from the drop-down menu. Then, simply click Import and Use. Behind the scenes, the system is pulling live data directly from the YouTube API, feeding those top-performing videos into a central AI agent for analysis. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a detailed channel breakdown. Direct your attention to the overall channel score. A high number here confirms you've chosen a strong benchmark to learn from. Below the score is the What's Working module. The AI pinpoints exact tactics driving their success, like generating high comment engagement or maintaining consistent branding patterns in their video titles. This initial audit gives you a factual, data-backed baseline. You no longer have to wonder why a channel is growing. You have the specific mechanics right in front of you. Next, we move to the Analyze Content tab. We're going to break down specific videos, and we'll use a major benchmark for highly successful content, MrBeast. Pay close attention here, because a common mistake will cause a system error. Do not paste the full YouTube URL into the analysis box. Instead, look at the web address and copy only the specific video ID string located at the very end of the link. Paste those isolated IDs into the tool, separating each one with a comma. Then input a prompt based on your goal, something like, "How can I create a video like this?" and hit Analyze. The AI processes the request and returns strategic recommendations. It highlights the visual trends, the formatting rules, and the specific pacing details that make those target videos perform so well. By doing this, you translate passive observation into a concrete list of structural rules you can apply directly to your own content. Now, let's test a concept. Move over to the prediction tool and type in a rough idea based on your analysis. For this example, we'll test a basic Photoshop tutorial, run the simulation, and check the prediction score. Here, our initial idea scores a 61. This gives us an immediate read on the viability of the topic before we ever pick up a camera. We can improve that rating by incorporating the AI's formatting recommendations. Let's add a specific benefit to the title, like Learn in 10 minutes. With those parameters adjusted, rerun the simulation. You will see the score increase as the concept aligns closer to what viewers are actively searching for. Running this simulation protects your time. It ensures you are only investing production hours into concepts that are statistically favored to attract an audience. Take that high-scoring concept, copy it to your clipboard, and move to the final phase, the Generate Video tab. Before you generate, you must select your specific target audience and niche from the drop-down menus. Skipping this step will result in generic, unhelpful outputs. Once your audience parameters are locked in, click Generate and review your results. The tool provides an array of 5 distinct video blueprints. Each includes an optimized title, tailored description, and hashtags. It even features a dedicated thumbnail concept section, offering a literal prompt to guide your design. The AI has successfully processed your vague starting idea and output a comprehensive multi-option production plan. In just a few minutes, we went from staring at a blank screen to possessing 5 complete data-backed video blueprints. Simply copy your favorite option from the list, save it to your notes, and start setting up your recording space. The uncertainty of the blank page is gone. Your only remaining task is to hit record, lean into the data, and start creating.